Warning. The United States Civil Defense has issued a nuclear attack emergency. The following cities that have been targeted by the warheads are Los Angeles, California, Jackson, Mississippi, Olympia, Washington, Salem, Oregon, Salt Lake City, Utah, and Dallas, Texas. If your city is in the list, stock up some food, water, and supplies. Take anything that is necessary to you. Evacuation centers have been set up on Portland, Oregon, Austin, Texas, San Francisco, California, and Las Vegas, Nevada. You must flee. Inform your neighbors and loved ones about this. Please be safe. Don't let America down. We, the United States, have gone through these challenging times. We now possess life. Now, after years, we rest. It repeats. But this time, it's painful to die. May God bless you and the United States of America.